Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain tacos at home. We'll start by understanding the core principles of Jain cooking, which emphasize fresh, seasonal ingredients and avoiding root vegetables. This means no onions, garlic, or potatoes in our delicious taco fillings. We'll focus on vibrant, above-ground vegetables to create a truly authentic and flavorful experience for your homemade Jain tacos. Next, let's prepare our flavorful Jain taco filling. Begin by finely chopping vegetables like cabbage, colorful bell peppers, and sweet corn. Sauté these with a small amount of grated ginger and finely chopped green chilies to build a wonderful base of flavor. Then, stir in essential spices such as turmeric, cumin powder, and coriander powder, ensuring everything is well combined and cooked until tender. Now it's time to assemble your delicious Jain tacos. Select your favorite soft corn or flour tortillas. Both work wonderfully. Gently warm each tortilla on a dry griddle for about 30 seconds per side or briefly in the microwave to make them pliable. Then, generously spoon your flavorful Jain vegetable filling into the center of each warm tortilla, ready for your favorite toppings. To complete your Jain tacos, add some fresh and vibrant toppings. A sprinkle of finely chopped cilantro, a refreshing squeeze of fresh lime juice, and some crisp shredded lettuce are perfect additions. You can also offer a mild, homemade yogurt-based sauce or a simple tomato salsa, ensuring it's free of root vegetables. Serve your homemade Jain tacos immediately to enjoy their fresh flavors and textures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.